I'm spinning round, doing cartwheels off the ground. See the color, hear the sound. Woo! Got my heart beating like a drum.
Happy birthday, Uno! We love you!
I believe it now, I feel it. I believe it now, I see it. Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah. This is love, this is love. Oh, yeah. This is love, love.
Happy birthday, Uno! Ang wish lang ni Mami sa'yo ay lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos at may takot sa amin. I wish you good health, anak. I love you very much.
Hello anak, happy birthday, first birthday mo. Sana when you watch this video, makita mo kung paano kami nag-effort for you, how we love you, how everyone loves you.
Walking on a dream, jumping up like a trampoline, nothing like I've ever seen. Say hello, let me hear you talk, all the words that I know you got. Don't wait, don't stop. I believe it now, I feel it. I believe it now.
Happy birthday, Uno. Birthday wish ko lang sa'yo. Sana lumaki kang malusog at malakas sa pangangataon at sana makasama ka sa pagbabike.
Happy birthday, Uno! Sana lumaki ka ng mabait, laging sumunod sa mga magulang mo, kay Mami at kay Daddy. At good health, and sana ako naman makasama kita pag akit ng bundok.
Happy birthday, Uno! Ang wish ko sa'yo ay sana maging, yun nga, mabait ka and marespeto sa kapwa mo. Yun lang, love you!
Love you, Uno!
Happy birthday, Uno! I wish you will grow up and be a good boy.
Happy birthday, Uno! Ang wish sa'yo ni Tita Lola Marie is maging successful ka paglaki mo at maging good boy ka.
Happy birthday, Uno! Sana maging sa paglaki mo, maging malusog ka at mabait na bata at makatapos ka ng iyong pag-aaral.
Siguro kung nandito ang iyong isa pang lola ay super happy niya kasi na-achieve namin yung dream birthday namin for you. Ay, nandyan lang naman siya always to guide you, anak.
Happy first birthday sa'yo. Binigla mo kami. At yun lang, no? Sana lumaki kang mabait tulad ng tatay mo.
Happy birthday, Bebe Uno namin. Kagaya ng wish ni Wowo. Sana lumaki kang mabait, matalino, masipag, love na love ka namin. And sana makasama ka namin ng matagal na matagal. Happy birthday sa'yo. We love you.
I promise that I will always be by your side as much as I can. We had you at such a young age, but malapit lang yung age natin. So sana maging, best friend mo kami. Kami maging yung best friend paglaki mo. We are always here for you.
Basta pag ikaw ay lumaki na, just always remember na si Mami ang una mong best friend, una mong enemy, lahat, si Mami and Daddy lahat. I love you, ano. Iyak ako.
Happy birthday, Uno! We love you!
More.